A very good morning, students. So in the previous class we were discussing about the festivals and celebrations, and in this lesson we have studied about the national festivals and about the religious festivals. So what are the national festivals? Republic Day, Independence Day and Gandhi Jayanti. These are the national festivals that we celebrate on a particular day to celebrate our past event. Okay, so when do we celebrate Republic Day? We celebrate the Republic Day on 26 January. Okay, so what we do on this day? The president of our India hosts the national flag at the at the Rajpath in New Delhi. Okay, so when do we celebrate Independence Day? We celebrate Independence Day on the 15th August. Okay, and the Prime Minister of our India hosts the national flag at Red Fort in New Delhi. So what we do on Mahatma Gandhi Jayanti? And why do we celebrate this day? Because this is the birthday of Mahatma Gandhi, who was a famous freedom fighter. So in the name of his birthday we celebrate Gandhi Jayanti. When do we celebrate this? We celebrate this on October 2nd. So next, some of the religious festivals are there. First one is Diwali. Okay, so Diwali is the festival of lights. We make the rangoli in front of our home and we all decorate our homes with the lights. Next, we distribute the sweets and gift with each other. We wear the new clothes on this day. So next, Dashera is there. Why do we celebrate Dashera? Because on this day, Rama killed the demon king of Ravana. That's because we celebrate this day as Dashera. Next, Eid ul Fitr is there. We celebrate Eid ul Fitr after a whole month of fasting and we go to mosque on this day to pray. Next, Guru Purab. We celebrate Guru Purab on the birthday of major gurus of Sikhs. On this day we go to Gurudwar to pray. And next, we celebrate Christmas on 25th December. And why do we celebrate this Christmas? Because this is the birthday of Jesus Christ. And people decorate the Christmas tree on the Christmas, and we go to church to pray on the Christmas. And except these celebrations, some other celebrations are there like birthday and wedding. Okay, and birthday is a very special day for him or for her, because on this day we decorate our home, we cut the cake, we blow the candles and we invite our friends and family to celebrate our birthday. Next, wedding is also a very special day for him or for her. What people do on this day? People sing, dance, eat a lot of sweets and foods on this day. Okay, so wedding is also a special day for them. Next, we have discussed some of the questions here, and today we are going to discuss some more questions. Like open the page number 114. Open the page number 114. Two boxes are there, blank boxes are there. You should draw something there. What you should draw? First one, draw the following scenes in the box provided. First box olaga Diwali andre ದಿವಾಲಿಯನ್ನು ಹೆಂಗೆ ಸೆಲೆಬ್ರೇಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ ಅನ್ನೋದ್ರ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ಏನು ಮಾಡಬೇಕು? ಡ್ರಾ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್, ಈದನ್ನು ನೀವು ಹೆಂಗೆ ಸೆಲೆಬ್ರೇಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಿ ಅನ್ನೋದ್ರ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಏನು ಮಾಡಬೇಕು? ಡ್ರಾ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಓಕೆ, ಸೊ ಜಸ್ಟ್ ಡ್ರಾ ಆಲ್ ದೋಸ್ ಪಿಕ್ಚರ್ಸ್ ಪ್ರಾಪರ್ಲಿ. ನಿಮಗೆ ಹೆಂಗೆ ಬರುತ್ತೆ ಹಂಗೆ ನೀವೇ ಡ್ರಾ ಮಾಡಿರಿ. ಓಕೆ, ಡೋಂಟ್ ಟೇಕ್ ಹೆಲ್ಪ್ ಆಫ್ ಅದರ್ಸ್. So draw a Diwali picture here. Next, Eid. How you celebrate Diwali and Eid? Just draw their pictures. And next we are going to discuss the remaining questions. Write down the first question in your notebook. What is that? What are the national festivals? First one is answer the following questions is there. So first question is what are the national festivals? Write down. The national festivals are Republic Day, Republic Day, Independence Day. And what is that one more? Gandhi Jayanti. Gandhi Jayanti. These are the national festivals. First one is the Republic Day, Independence Day and Gandhi Jayanti. These are the festivals, national festivals. Now the second question is, what is that? Why is Dussehra celebrated? Why is Dussehra celebrated? Because Dussehra celebrated because Rama killed Ravan. Yes, Rama killed Ravan on this day, so we celebrated Dussehra. Rama killed Demon king of Demon king of Lanka, Ravana. Rama killed the king of Lanka, Ravana, so we celebrate Dussehra. So the next one, third one is there. How is Guru Purab celebrated? How is Guru Purab celebrated? People go to Gurudwar to pray. How do Guru Purab we celebrate? People go to Gurudwar to pray. People go to Gurudwar to pray. People go to Gurudwar to pray and are taken out. Processions are taken and processions are taken out at various places. At various places. Next, the last question is, what do people do on wedding? Madhve dina jana ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೋ? People sing, dance. Is it? Yes. The fourth one. People sing, dance and eats a lot of food and sweets. ಮದುವೆ ದಿನ ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ ಜನ? ಡ್ಯಾನ್ಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೋ, ಹಾಡು ಹಾಡ್ತಾರೋ ಮತ್ತು ಬಹಳಷ್ಟು ಫುಡ್ ಮತ್ತು ಸ್ವೀಟನ್ನು ತಿಂತಾರೆ. So these are the some questions, and here this chapter is finished today. So our activity zone is there in the page number 115 that you have to do in home. A table is there. So ಏನಂತಾರ, find out from your classmates which religious festivals they celebrate, then complete the table given below. First box is you should write the name of your friend. Okay, you should write a name of friend. Next, name of the religious festival. ಸೊ ಅವ ಸೆಲೆಬ್ರೇಟ್ ಮಾಡುವಂಥ ಫೆಸ್ಟಿವಲ್ ಬರೀರಿ ಯಾವುದಾದ್ರೂ ಒಂದು. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್, ಸ್ಪೆಷಲ್ ಫುಡ್ ಕುಕ್ಡ್. ಆ ಫೆಸ್ಟಿವಲ್ ದಿನ ಅವ್ರು ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೋ, ಯಾವ ಫುಡ್ಡನ್ನು ಕುಕ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ ಮನೆಯೊಳಗೆ ಅದನ್ನು ಬರೀರಿ. ಫಾರ್ ಎಕ್ಸಾಂಪಲ್, ಐ ವಿಲ್ ಟೆಲ್ ಯು, ಮೈ ಫ್ರೆಂಡ್ ಇಸ್ ದೇರ್ ಹೂ ಈಸ್ one of Pooja is there, my friend. I will write here Pooja. My friend name is Pooja. Next, name of the religious festival. Aki celebrate ಮಾಡುವಂಥ ಫೆಸ್ಟಿವಲ್ ಯಾವುದು? ದಿವಾಲಿ. She celebrate ದಿವಾಲಿ. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್, ಸ್ಪೆಷಲ್ ಫುಡ್ ಕುಕ್ಡ್. ದಿವಾಲಿ ದಿನ ನಾವು ಯಾವ ಥರ ಫುಡ್ಡನ್ನು ತಿಂತೀವಿ? ವಾಟ್ ವಿ ವಿಲ್ ರೈಟ್ ಹಿಯರ್? ಐ ವಿಲ್ ರೈಟ್ laddu. I will write laddu because Diwali dina ನಾವು ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ ಲಡ್ಡುವನ್ನು ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ like this. Okay, so 3 lines are there. Write 3 friends name, their festivals and their foods. Okay, and do it in your home. In tomorrow's class we will start the lesson number 6 about food. Okay, so we will continue in the next class.